and I could never be average. Been hailing back and I manage, all in the pretty little package. Yeah, they all know I'm a savage, yeah. Yeah.
Sorry you can't see me, but I'm just wanting to show you guys what my room looks like with just a little bit of stuff in here. So this is my room. This is my box spring, a clothing rack, floor, my what do you call this, curtain rack, shoes, boxes, clothes, and my stuff here. So this is what my room looks like so far without any furniture. My TV is in the living room. I just haven't put anything in there yet in the vacuum. So I'm trying to give y'all like a good view. I know on camera it might look a little bit small, but I actually think it's bigger than my last room. It's only one window in here. I think I had one. Yeah, I had one in my last one. So yeah, this is what it looks like, you guys. I did order a new bed frame. I also got a new mattress. I think I'm either gonna put it on this wall or this wall. Y'all let me know which one y'all think I should do. I need to get a curtain. I haven't found out what color yet. My bed, I think it's gray that I ordered. So I'll pick the camera back up when I get my bed. I haven't found a bed comforter set or anything yet either. So yeah, and I'm sorry that it's dark in here, but we working with natural lighting. I didn't feel like getting the big lights and stuff. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Any ideas? Should I add a rug in my room, or should I just keep, you know, the rug that I have, you know, the regular carpet, or add something else? Should I add wall art? I do have some pictures that my sister gave me, but I don't know if they're gonna go with what I'm going with. So y'all let me know. And again, this is just what it looks like. Sorry, let it focus. And I don't think I'm gonna keep the clothes rack in my room. This was just an old one that we had, and I just put it in here for right now, but it's probably gonna go back in my... Okay, you guys, so my bed came today, and I got the paper covering up my address, so don't look there. This is my bed. That's a picture right there. Let me try to turn out this way. So it looks like this. I'm probably gonna wait till my mom gets here to help me like hold stuff up and let me screw it in, but this is how big the box is. Don't pay attention to the living room. That's my new mattress over there. Girl, shit just everywhere. But yeah, this is my bed, and I want to show you guys, and I'll show you guys a clip of me putting it together, or you'll see it in the next vlog that'll go up. So you'll see this vlog first, but then you'll see the bed next. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we'll see. But yeah, it's here. Hallelujah. Together. So this is what it's supposed to look like when I put it together, and it's a upholstery platform bed. I don't remember what the actual name, sorry, the lighting is a bit over here, what the actual name of the bed is, but I'll link it down below. if you guys are interested in getting the bed for yourself. So that's it. This is the part of the headboard. I have more pieces here, and these are my 3 wooden pieces here, and I have some more stuff just like this because the lighting is better over here. So my bed is gonna go on this wall here, I think, for now, because it has 2 adapters on both sides, or 2 plugs, whatever you want to call them, adapters, plug on both sides. So I think that'll be better for like when I get nightstands and stuff. So I'm gonna put it there. Okay, you guys, sorry I didn't finish all the bed on camera. I was just getting a little frustrated and it was taking too long. So this is what it looks like. This is my new mattress. The headboard comes all the way out here. Hopefully you can see that. Don't worry about the gap. I just need to push it down some. But this is what it looks like. I like it. I think I'm gonna put some pictures here on top. I don't know, or put pictures either there or there. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think I might put like a little rug right here, and my TV's gonna go over here. I'm waiting on my stand to get here so I can put that up, but it's in the living room right now. And I'm gonna show you guys from over here what it looks like as well. Like a little pan through. And don't worry about this. All this stuff is just sitting here for now until I move it. It's another tripod. So yeah, this is what I have so far. I just ordered me some lights to go across my wall, and I ordered me a mattress cover and my TV stand. So let me know what you guys think I should add. I'm still looking for side tables. I don't know if I want 2 or just 1. Probably just 1 for now. If I want to, that'll be later down the road, but I don't know. You guys let me know what you think, and yeah, let me know if you guys like the headboard or not. Again, it's from Wayfair. I don't know the actual name of it, but I will have it listed down below, and this is what it looks like on here. I don't know if that'll help, but it's an upholstery platform bed upholstery, and yeah, it's in the color gray. I think they have gray, beige, and another color, and it's on sale right now if you guys want to get it. It may be out of stock when I put it on there, but if not, go ahead and grab you one if you want to. I don't get any commission, any money for it, and just let you know because I like it so far. So yeah, and I think I'm going to get some things for the bottom just to lift it up just a little bit more so it can be a little bit higher. Other than that, I like it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.